helped her get around the corner. She was a little nervous. Now we'll see if she'll go. Oh, there's the next piece of bread. She's a carbo baby. She likes bread. Come on, Lily. Good girl.
I like bread, huh? You like bread?
Is that so good, Lily? Go to the next one. Oh, it's so good. Say, Daddy, turn the TV off. It's distracting me. Keep going, Lily. Food motivates her. She likes to eat. Lily.